Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove any object from video using KineMaster. How to remove any object from a video. So thank you for watching this channel. Let's get started. Open your KineMaster app on your phone and create new. Here you can adjust aspect ratio. You want to upload video in TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, it's up to you. And open your projects here, and I want to remove one of the object in this video. So let's tap layer first here and tap the handwriting, so you can adjust the color, white color like a background, and you can use shape here. For example, this one, the circle one. If you think you fail, you can undo, and let's try to use again, and the object is covered like this. Sorry. So it's not perfect cover, but this is the way. And let's tap play the video. So as you can see, the object is covered by the shape. You can color grading or color correction later, but the point is how you can hide, remove object from your video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.